Alphabet Kurdi, the Kurdish alphabet. There are 23 consonants and 8 vowels in the total 31 letters in Kurdish alphabet. In Kurdish alphabet, each letter is a sound. A, B, J, Ch, D, A, E, F, G, H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, Ş, T, Ö, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.